Good morning to everyone. Please revise last class notes few minutes. Okay, we'll discuss formulas. Just you can recollect. I'll ask some students by making unmute. Then you have to give answers. Please revise class notes. What we discussed last class. There is some students you send homework, that's good, but I didn't get from all the students. Completed your revision? If completed, let me know through chat box. Okay. First revise all formulas. Every day you need to revise chemistry notes starting to ending. Every day. Then regular homework is that is common. Completed your revision? Please let me know through chat. Okay, what we discussed last class? What we completed up to last class? Let me know that one. Up to dilution completed. Is it correct? Okay, fine. Good. We'll discuss remaining thing. Okay. Mixing of same nature solutions. Okay, we're going to be solve mixing of, continue that one, last class continue. Mixing of same nature solutions. Okay, means we make and mix both are acids or both are base, anything. I think so already we discussed yesterday. This is, assume that in any solution you can take 0.2 m 100 ml. Now I am adding here 0.1 m. This is, assume that one NaOH and 100 ml KOH. Both are base, same nature means both are base or both are acid. We are mixing each other. Then we need to find out resulting solution molarity. You getting my point? So by mixing same nature of solutions, now we are going to be calculate resulting solution molarity. Find it. Now check it. M resulting solution equal to, or M final, sir, anyone you can take, N total by V total. How to calculate number of moles in terms of molarity? I hope you know very well. Molarity equal to N by V. Again, this is liters. So N equal to what you can write? M into V liters. This is moles. Millimoles. Array, note down all these things, Karna. Don't save pen paper. Millimoles nothing but N equal to M into VML. This is the millimoles. Array, again I won't give. Please note down all these points, which is you don't know any point. Just note down corner of the notebook. If you don't like to note down, don't note down. Doesn't matter here. Who can note down? Those only the your wish that is. It's not for me. If you like, you can note down every point. If you want save pen paper, leave that one, because I am not going to be check at your home and I am not going to be giving anything. Okay, but I will ask one day every student, we have to send through WhatsApp what you wrote it down. You noted down your class notes. Clear? That's you need to send me. Now here two solutions. How to calculate number of moles of this one? First solution, assume that one, this is solution 1 and this is solution 2. So I can write here N1 plus N2 by total volume, sir. V total nothing but V1 plus V2. So N1 means what you can write? M into V you can write. So I'm writing here M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. If you're adding more number of solutions, we can add like this. If we can add XML of solvent also, Now both we are adding. Some extra water also I am adding here. Then how to calculate resulting solution normality? Base, again I am adding base plus extra some water. So that extra water is XML. So this is the M resulting solution molarity formula. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. If they given extra solvent, you may can utilize. Can you apply? Can you solve this question? So M resulting equal to M1 how much, sir? 0.1. V1 how much? 100 plus M2 how much? 0.2. I am assuming 2 I given here with respect to symbols. Volume how much here? 100 ml by 200. Then calculate 10, 100 into 0.1, 0.2 into 100, 20 by 200. So how much will you get, sir? 30 by 200. 3 by 20. Calculate. You have to calculate final answer, sir. This is. You should not write fraction. Calculate and substitute. Anything doubt? Please check it. Or let me know through chat box if you understood or not. We'll discuss one more example also. If any doubt, please you can ask. Same nature, either acids or base. This is V total both. Okay. Vt equal to not V1 plus V2. Clear? Total volume. So that's where adding V1 plus V2 is the total only. Na? Right. Solve this question. Mixing of 0.4 m 200 ml HCl plus 0.2 m 400 ml HNO3 plus 400 ml of water. Try this question. Array, when you are creating your own questions, just change here. In place of HCl, you can take base and you can change any number here 0.4, 0.3, point anything. Here also volume you can take. But try to make volume should not be more than 1000 total volume. Okay. This is 400 ml. You can use any one here. Acid, base, or both acids, both bases. Now this is same nature. That's why I'm giving only acids. So next I will give opposite nature also. At the time we'll discuss. Can you try this question? Today homework is this is the pattern you have to do. M resulting equal to again same M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2 plus X. So anyone you given answers? Good, good. Try take it challenge. Why you can't give answers? Someone they are giving, why you are not able to give? Check it. M1 is 0.4. Anyone you can take M1, M2. Anyone you can take. Doesn't matter here. 200 plus 0.4 into 400. 200 plus 400 plus 400. This is how much? 80. This is how much? This also 80, I think so. By 1000. Now check it. How much your answer? That's your answer, sir. Arey, very few people are giving answers, sir. I don't know that one. Remaining people. Arey, just you are logging and you are playing mobile games or some other work you are doing. Arey, boys, also you are looking, you are seeing serials, sir. Now by logging here and you are seeing serials, TV serials. This is very bad, huh? Stanley, please check it your answer. Calculations you done wrong. Check it, everyone. Arey, 160 by 1000, how much will get, sir? 160 by 1000. How much? 0.16. This is molarity. Capital you can write, otherwise moles per liter you can write. There are still very few people are responding answers. Very few people. Here approximately strength is 61. At least 59 people is there, students. But why I am getting only 3 SMS only correct answers? Means responding people only, even not more than 10. Array, then I will make unmute you people. Then I will ask that one how to solve that question. Before that one, respond, that is better. Huh? Better way that is. If I am going to be unmute and you are asking, then all the people they are listening your explanation, then that's not good. Then they can understand every student what you are doing. So before that one, try to make concentration and send homework also properly. I will remember that names who are sending homework, sir. I will note down that is student and school wise. Then who are not sending SMS, then I will find out here names, then I will ask frequently questions. You are not sending homework means you are not studying. That is the only logic, nothing here inside. Up to that, don't make that one. If I am asking like that, that's not good. Something respond, huh? That's good. Then opposite nature, right, sir? Mixing of opposite nature solutions. Means acid and base you are mixing. This is assume that one 200 ml 0.2 m HCl. Now I am adding base 300 ml 0.2 m NaOH. Now what is the resulting solution? Acidic or basic or neutral or salt, whatever. Can you give answer? Please can you find out answer? You can respond, at least you are mixing acid and base. These are not exactly lessons we are discussing, still basics only. But you are not responding means you are not interested. So your answer is finally someone they given basic nature. Vimala Raj. Still now, what you know, V means indicate, M means what is the indicating still now? Vimla Raj, still now, what we are indicating M means? Respond. What does M mean still now? Discuss that one. Molarity. V means volume. These are M into V, na? That is M into V, that is molarity into volume. Molarity into volume. M into V means molarity into volume. Otherwise you can write, sir, I will write next time M into V of acid like this. Or I wrote directly M into V, that is nothing. M means molarity, V means volume. So whenever you are mixing solution that decided by M into V value, if suppose M into V of acid is greater than M into V of base, means acidic character. What is the M into V? Nothing but number of moles. Keep in mind, already I given, same class. So number of moles of acid is more than base means acidic character. Here case 1, sir, M into V of acid is more than base. So acidic in nature. Next case, M into V of base is more than acid, basic in nature. If both are equal, then only salt. If both are equal means then salt. Understood? Now can you apply which is the suitable formula for this one? Calculate molarity into volume separately. Acid and base both you can calculate separately. Then find acid or acidic or basic character. M into V of acid equal to 200 ml into 0.2. How much will get, sir? 40 millimoles. This is because ml millimoles. Which then base minus acid by volume. So what is the suitable formula? Please note down first. First case or second case? Basic in nature. Try to substitute. Right, sir. Formula. Above case question is, if they mention XML, then only add. Otherwise, 0 XML is 0. If they are not adding any solvent from outside, then XML equal to 0. If not added solvent, then XML equal to 0, sir. If added, then only can consider. Now can you solve it? So you can't say acid or base by looking any molecule, any given question. So here M resulting or M final equal to M into V of base minus M into V of acid by VA plus VB. So can you get, this is I think so much 60 minus 40 by what is the total volume? VA plus VB. I think so 200. No, 300 plus 200. No, that is 300 plus 200, sir. 300 plus 200. So we'll get here 20 by 500. Is it correct? So 20 by 50. Whatever your answer, that is correct. I think so you got it answer. I understood how to solve. By giving any acid base, we can't say simply neutral. That is wrong. So first calculate M into V value of acid and base, then subtract which is maximum minus minimum. Then you have to calculate value. I hope you understood this point. So next time don't do mistake. I'm mixing acid and base, salt is neutral, that is forming new salt. And that solution is neutral in nature, that is wrong. Okay. So first you have to ask details. All these are for practical purpose also too much important. Even your lab teachers, they can't solve all these things, but you can solve if you understood. Try to involve interestingly, huh? And don't listen for chemistry teacher, for your parents like that. If you make more interestingly, that's too good. That's up to you, sir. Clear? Fine. Next. Now write normality. Please note down. Little bit you can close fast. Normality. Normality symbol is capital N. Right. Number of equivalents or gram equivalents, sir. Number of gram equivalents. I am showing gram equivalents GEN, sir. Gram equivalent number. I am showing GN. Dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Is it clear? So normality equal to gram equivalent number by V liters. Now gram equivalent number nothing but weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by, I am converting liters into ml, sir. VML. So this is the normality formula. Array similar to molarity, only difference here we are writing. In place of M we are writing N, but in place of gram molecular mass, in that formula I am writing gram equivalent weight. This is the only difference and everything is same here. Now we can write normality equal to W by VML into 1000 by gram equivalent weight. This is we call strength of solution. So you can write like all molarity formulas. In place of M write N, in place of gram molecular mass GEW. Remaining everything is same, sir. So normality equal to strength of solution by, in place of gram molecular mass, gram equivalent weight you have to write. And next, W by V percent into 10 by gram equivalent weight. Even you can write normality equal to W by W percent into 10 into density by gram equivalent weight. These are the like molarity all formulas, but I wrote very clearly what the difference between molarity and normality. Please note down. I will write little bit fast. Other batches we are little bit ahead syllabus. Completed? If completed, let me know that one. What is the next I given? Dilution principle I given a dilution. I will discuss what is the equivalent weight. You don't worry that one. I will discuss equivalent weight. But I won't leave any formula. Now we are discussing for basics purpose only. Again, I will give that one. Just write dilution. In dilution, same here also. M1V1 in place of M1V1. What you have to write? N1V1 only. Here, gram equivalent number is constant. Previously, number of moles constant. So normality equal to gram equivalent number by V liters. So nothing but Gn equal to N into V liters. Is it clear? So Gn constant means I can write here N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. N1 V1 is the before dilution. You can write, sir. N1 V1 is the before dilution. Before dilution. This is after dilution. So V2 equal to, now what's the formula, sir? Total volume. Is it correct? V1 plus extra added solvent. Understood? Next. Same. Mixing of same nature solutions, right? Mixing of same nature solutions. I think so. You can write n resulting equal to or n final. Both are same, sir. N resulting or n final. Both are same only. N1 V1 plus N2 V2 and so on. If more is there, you can add by V1 plus V2 plus. If you are adding XML, you can use XML. Next, opposite nature. Mixing of opposite nature. Case 1. Same as it is, sir. Case 1, right? Suppose N into V of acid is greater than N into V of base. Then N final or nothing but acid is greater than means H plus concentration only, that is. H plus concentration equal to N into V of acid minus N into V of base by Va plus Vb. If they given XML, we can add. Otherwise, you can leave it, sir. Same as it is previous cases only. And case 2. If N into V of base is greater than N into V of acid. I try to note down. I will give time again. Please note down if possible as soon as. Then N resulting or N final. OH minus concentration equal to N into V of base minus N into V of acid by VA plus VB. These are the formulas. Same, similar to normality and molarity. Note down. If anything you are missing, leave space. I will go up again. I will scroll up. Scroll up. Okay. Completed. Completed. Let me know that one. So our doubt is, everyone, what is the equivalent weight? This is the only doubt I think so. I'm expecting. If already you know people, because every teacher they discuss everything. I hope every teacher. But if you don't know, then only I'm going to discuss this one. If you know how to calculate equivalent weight, let me know that one. We'll skip that one. If you don't know, then only you can discuss. You know how to calculate equivalent weight, gram equivalent weight? Please let me know that one. Your chat box is black to that one. You're chatting. Otherwise, you know how to calculate equivalent weight. You're not responding means you may not know this one. Write some questions. Calculate normality of following, sir. Like this way, you have to prepare all the questions. 0.2 n, 200 ml HCl plus 0.8 N 200 ml HNO3. 0.3 N 400 ml KOH. 0.4 N 200 ml NaOH plus 400 ml H2O. Next, 0.8 N 400 ml HCl. 0.8 N 600 ml NaOH. So note down these questions. Only one student respond equivalent weight, they don't know calculate. So remaining all people, you know that one. Now I am going to unmute you people, then give answer, sir. Okay. Now I am going to ask you personally, each person by name wise, then give your answers. You should know now that one concept I am asking. You know or not, you know at least that is. If you are silent means what I have to assume? I can assume you know everything. So now I am going to ask you questions. That's only. Note down first these questions. Okay, very good, sir. Now, note down fourth question, sir. Calculate the normality of, sorry, not fourth. We can take this is another question. Again, I am writing one. .9 grams of HTSO4 dissolved in 200 ml of water solution. Second question. 1.20 grams of MgSO4 dissolved in 250 ml of solution. Ten grams of CaCO3 dissolved in 500 ml of solution. I am giving random weight. You can calculate this is 3.7 grams of calcium hydroxide dissolved in 100 ml of solution. So try it first question under the second, sir, which is the given question number here. In this case, second, first one you can try it. Normality I need, normality. timing. Can you done first all these questions? Right before class, don't left. If anyone you are left, I can identify very easily, whatever reason. Chemistry class means starting to ending, you should be there. Before 5 minutes, before 1 minute, anyone you are left, I can find out. I will ask you particularly you people questions. What's the first question answer? 1 by 200. Naga Roshini. That's only I ask you, na. You know or not equivalent weight calculations. But you people doesn't respond anything. Then how can I identify you understood or not? If you are giving these question answers, then no need to discuss anything, you people. Right. N factor calculation. Please note down this is so this is the formula for normality. Gram equivalent weight by gram equivalent number by V liters, nothing but Gn by V liter, weight by equivalent weight. If you know equivalent weight, then only you can calculate normality. Is it clear? So equivalent weight equal to how to calculate gram equivalent number, nothing but weight by equivalent weight. So how to calculate equivalent weight? Please note down. Equivalent weight equal to gram atomic mass by n factor or gram molecular mass by n factor. Please note down this is gram equivalent weight by gram equivalent weight equal to gram atomic mass by n factor or gram molecular mass by n factor. Note down. How to calculate equivalent weight? We are giving, sir. Okay, within the 10 minutes, we have to complete equivalent weight calculation. Right, little bit fast. So this is not regular class. You completed or not, also you don't know that one. So you should be take care about you. And regular class, sir, wait. I need to note down like that, sir. Maybe can wait. But here you don't know that one. So little bit fast. Clear? Now write n factor for elements equal to valency, right, sir? N factor for elements equal to its valency, sir. So now we are explaining one by one. You can check it. For example, sodium, what is the valency? 1. So n factor equal to 1. For example, magnesium, valence how much, sir? 2 plus, n factor equal to 2. Aluminium, 3 plus, n factor equal to 3. So equivalent weight I am asking, sir. Gram equivalent weight equal to what's the formula? Gram atomic mass by n factor. Keep in mind, sir. Gram atomic mass by n factor. Mass by n factor. For example, calcium equivalent weight. Gram atomic mass by n factor. Calcium atomic mass is 40. Valence how much? 2. That's why 20 is the equivalent weight. Aluminum atomic mass is 27. What's the n factor? 3. I'm using n factor 3, 9. For oxygen generally, it can gain 2, whatever charge is here 2, that's equal to n factor. For chlorine, bromine, iodine, generally they can show -1. If -1 means only whatever charge is there, that is the n factor here. So n factor is 1. For oxygen, equivalent weight equal to you can check it here. Oxygen equivalent weight. One oxygen in fact is 2, sir. For 2 oxygens, how much? 1 oxygen, 2 minus. For 2 oxygens, 4 minus. That's why n factor is 4 here. So O2, 32 by 4, 8 is the equivalent weight. Otherwise, we are taking only oxygen atom. Only oxygen atom. You can take oxygen atom, how much charge? 2. Oxygen atom weight is 16 by 2 is the n factor 8. Don't take sign. Okay. Don't take sign. Only number you can consider. Now check it. Next one, n factor for salts you can write, sir. For hydrogen also you can take each hydrogen generally +1, so 1 by 1. So taking H2 means 2 is the molecular weight. Each hydrogen n factor is 1, so 2 is the n factor. So 2 by 2, 1. Then Cl2 also same. 1 Cl is 1 already given here. 1 Cl is -1. 1 are n factor. For 2 Cl, how much n factor? 2. The n factor is 2. For right salts n factor equal to total positive charge or total negative charge. Right salts n factor. Salts n factor. I note down a little bit fast. Otherwise, take screenshot. I'm explaining 1 or 2 examples. Check it. Total positive charge. Na plus. So what is the positive charge here? 1. Or negative charge with respect to Cl1. We can take any one is the n factor. Either a positive charge or negative charge. N factor is 1. Now you can calculate MgCl2. Magnesium 2 plus or Cl. Each Cl is 1, but 2 Cl is there, 2 into 1, 2. You can take with respect to Cl or with respect to magnesium. N factor is 2. Same AlCl3, aluminum 3 plus, so n factor is 3. Or 3 into 1. Any one, sir. 3 and this is 1. But consider only number. The n factor is 3. Note down. So remaining n factor will discuss next class. Array practice and come next class. Okay. For molecule charges only. Suppose this is a molecule HCl. You can calculate now. And if you want to get still more perfect, means more information for n factors, all these are 11th standard information. You can search it in YouTube. You will get, sir. We'll explain everything here, but still you need more information and you need to listen number of times. You can search this is in YouTube. You will get. You may can search it YouTube also. Clear? So discuss next remaining next class. Thank you everyone. Thank you. We'll see next class, sir. Try to practice and come next class.